Hello and welcome to another video on the Skripting Tutorial channel. This is just going to be a short video on how to edit the tab list, how to set a header and a footer. And yeah, I know I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks and I'm sorry. So let's just get straight into the code. We're going to be using an onJoin function. Obviously this triggers whenever a player joins. Set players tab header to my tab header and set players tab footer to my tab footer. So basically what this is doing is setting the player's tab header to this text and the footer to this text. Obviously the top bit is the header and the bottom bit is the footer. You could do this in a function so that you can update it whenever you need to. You can use variables, you can use options, you can do whatever you want in here. Right, tab list, that's my bad. Tab list header and tab list footer. Should probably work without that, but obviously it doesn't. So if we reload it now and then rejoin, we have set the tab header and the footer. And just to show you, you can do options high is equal to low, high, and you can make it red. You can do anything you want with it. And if we rejoin, there's the option and there is the color. So if you did find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe.